The economic risks of the war are getting real for Americans.
Gas prices are at a 4-year high amid
Crude oil costs are pumped up.
Oil prices are likely to rise when markets reopen.
A gallon of gas in the U.S. is now more than $4.20.
Gas prices rising anywhere from 30.
Meanwhile, markets are down after Iran threatened to burn any ships that try to go through the Strait of Hormuz. Let's bring
That's crazy. I'm gonna ride till I can't go down. It's 2026 and I bought a 1997 Ford F-350. Let's take a look at it. Here we go. She purrs. She purrs. She's not perfect, but it's a 30-year-old truck, so I don't know what you expect when you own these things. But she is a beaut. She's got a couple things about her. She's got a couple love spots. Some of your, you got a little rusting down here, bed action. Yeah, so it's a little love spot. Man, when I slap a couple metal plates over it, dude, she's gonna be brand new, just like rolling off the factory, dude. But yeah, she's my baby. She's my girl. I don't really have a name for her. I just call her Big Girl, because that's what she is. I mean, this is a big truck. So typically, you see the 7.3 Power Stroke version of this. Now, this model is actually the 351 small block Windsor. It is a 5-speed manual transmission. On top of that, I also have the extended cab option and the extended bed with a stainless steel toolbox. I'm gonna leave it exactly how it is because I like how she sits. She's pretty and I love her. Yeah, she is a pretty girl. Custom antennas that don't really connect to anything, but they're there, so I'm very connected. This is a solid metal door. What are my future plans? I'm gonna add 2 dual 40 series Flowmaster mufflers. She's got dual straight pipes going for her right now. I bought it exactly how it is. The only thing I've done is installed a aftermarket steering wheel cover and an aftermarket front license plate, Ford license plate. At the end of the day, this truck is not about having the fastest vehicle, having the best towing rig, even having the most clean looking truck given the rust spots. Sometimes it's just about owning a cool, authentic piece of, I don't know if I could say history. She's got 200,955 miles, so she is mint. Guys, at the end of the day, I might be slightly crazy. No one in their right mind buys a 30-year-old truck and plans to drive it around. You know, guys, I think it goes without being said, I absolutely love this truck. It was by no means an investment. It was just a happy purchase. That's all it was. She runs as she should. She's a good truck. She sits well. Once I get that little frame spot fixed, I mean, she's gonna run forever. Yeah, I absolutely do not regret buying this truck. Despite what the gas prices are, despite what everyone says, I fucking love this truck. And you would not believe the amount of people going by. This truck turns heads. Now, I didn't buy this truck to turn people's heads. I bought this truck purely for my own enjoyment. But it's nice to see that other people also appreciate what I do. I think it's a very beautiful truck. I have a lot of fun driving it around town. My girlfriend and I like going for drives, windows down, blasting music, ripping the RPMs a little bit here and there. But yeah, I absolutely love this truck, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video.